Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder to lose weight. Protein is a powerful tool for managing your weight because it helps you feel satisfied and full for longer periods. This can naturally lead to eating fewer calories throughout your day. Furthermore, protein is essential for preserving your muscle mass, especially when you are reducing your calorie intake. Maintaining muscle is key for a healthy metabolism, helping your body burn more energy even at rest. Let's dive into how to incorporate it effectively. When selecting protein powder, consider options like whey for quick absorption, especially after exercise. Casein, on the other hand, digests slowly, making it ideal for sustained fullness, perhaps before bed. For plant-based diets, pea or soy protein are fantastic choices. A good starting point for a serving size is typically 20 to 30 grams of protein. Always check the nutrition label, as protein content can vary significantly between brands and types. This ensures you are getting the right amount for your goals. Timing your protein intake can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Consider replacing 1 or 2 meals with a protein shake to control calorie intake effectively. Alternatively, consuming a shake between meals can help manage hunger and prevent unhealthy snacking. After your workout, a protein shake is excellent for muscle recovery and repair. For the lowest calorie option, mix your protein powder with water or unsweetened almond milk. This simple habit can make a big difference. For the best weight loss results, integrate protein powder into a holistic approach. This means pairing it with a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Don't forget the importance of regular physical activity. Strength training, in particular, complements protein intake by building muscle. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also crucial for overall health and metabolism. Remember, protein powder is a supplement, not a magic bullet, and works best as part of a comprehensive healthy lifestyle. Always consult a professional for tailored guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.